Hello and welcome to Unit 2, the intermediate level. Okay, we're going to start with pictures and videos. So you can add pictures and videos to sections like here or to questions like this. So there's a few different ways that you can upload pictures. I'll show you a couple of them. So say I wanted to upload a picture to this section. I'm just going to have a general music one. I'm going to go to the right and go to the picture icon, and where it says insert media, click on it. I'm going to go to image and I go to my little search bar here. So I'm on image search, which means it's going to come from the internet, not from my computer. So I'm going to type it in. I'm going to press search, and then I have a variety of pictures that come up, but I'm definitely going to go for this bright green one that is just brilliant and a bit mad. I love it. Okay, so that is how you upload it from the internet. Say, for example, you have a picture on your computer or on OneDrive that you want to use. You can just go to this icon again, insert media. You go to image, and then you go to upload. And then, of course, it's just like uploading a picture. So you pick where you want it from. I've got it from my desktop and I've got a minim there ready to go. Sometimes it takes a while. As you can see, it's spinning. That was fairly quick. If it takes a while, what you can do is either refresh it or you can delete it if it's corrupted and start again. So I'll show you how to delete it. So say, for example, this had no picture at all. Quite often it looks like a broken photograph. All you'd need to do is click on the question and then just go here and just press delete. And obviously it goes away. So that is how you do that. Also, it's the same if you just want to get rid of the picture, obviously. Okay, so we've got that. The next one we're going to have is uploading a video, which is a similar process to uploading photos, but it is slightly different. So, for example, I want to have a video here. I go back to this icon, the media icon, insert media. Now, instead of image, I'm going to go to video. Now, what you can't do, one of the main difference is you can't upload straight from the internet on here. It's not linked. You have to have the link ready. It doesn't accept Loom video links. So if, like music, you are making Loom videos for tutorials for the kids, and then you want to embed that into a form, you can do it, but you need to turn your Loom video into a YouTube video through creating a YouTube channel. So for example, I have my YouTube channel with all the videos that I make for the little ones. All I do is, this is one of my videos. I copy the link in this bar here, like this. And all I'm going to do here is, in this little box, I'm just going to paste it. Press add, and then it should link up. It's the same process if it isn't loading, or if you just actually decide you don't want that video, click on the question itself and go to the little bin icon here and delete the video. So you remember, you can't do it from Loom videos. Loom videos you have to turn into a YouTube video in order to do it. The next thing we're going to do is look at making multiple answers. So at the moment, as this question says, there's 2 correct answers, but I only have 1 correct answer clicked, which is this, the 2 crotchets, but also 4 quavers is the same as a minim. I can't just click the tick here to make it a correct answer, because then it gets rid of this one. So what I need to do is I need to go to multiple answers, check it so it goes green, and then I can click this. If it was this one, I could click this and I could click this. Say, for example, you've accidentally clicked the wrong ones, like I have done here, a semiquaver and a crotchet are not the same as a minim, obviously. No, I'm joking. Then what you do is you need to untick it. Don't press the delete, because what happens then is you just delete the answer altogether. So for example, if I click that, I've lost that semi-brief one. So if I bring that up, I can't remember if it said a semi-brief. I thought it said a semi-brief. So the way you do it to get rid of it is to click the correct answer, so it's gone, and then you can see that this one and this one are the ticked ones. And to double check, yeah, there's the green tick there and the green tick there. Also, because there's 2 answers, there needs to be 2 points. So all you do is, instead of having 1 point, you have 2. You could have 3 if it's 3, 4 if it's 4. An important thing to note here is, if you've set this as 2 points and you do a new question, so say, for example, I'm going to do a new choice, it would still be 2 points. So if this is just a 1 point question, you're going to need to change it. So sometimes I've done whole forms where one question was 4 points, and then all of a sudden all of my 1 markers are 4 points, and it's fine, you just go back and change it, but it is a bit of a hassle. So that's just one way to avoid that. The final thing that I'm going to show you is how to add a table. So the tables are really good because obviously you can have a range of options in a table, which is really, really cool. The way you do this is you go to Add New, you go to this drop down arrow here where it says More, and you go to, now I think it is pronounced a Leica table. I want to say Leica, but I'm not sure. You click on it, and then you've got the table here. So for example, I could say minim crotchet, and I'm going to add one quaver, and then half, 1, 2. Now I've only got 3 here, so I don't need these other options, so I'm just going to delete that option and go to the little bin icon for option 5 and delete it. Say I accidentally delete this one, of course all I need to do is go to this little plus here and press 2. Of course, remember, see, it's done that thing when I said if you've got 2 points here, it's gone down to 2 points for the next question. So I've got 3 here, so I want to make sure it's 3 points. These tables are really, really good, but the only problem is you can't mark it through you can't have the computer mark it for you. You have to go on to each quiz and physically mark it, because it's used for generally like opinions on forms, but it's still a really useful tool for your lessons. I think it's just one thing is you will have to mark it yourself. I think that is everything for Unit 2, and I hope it's been helpful. Bye!